tabled it in the Senate on Tuesday, the 23rd July 2024. Mr. Speaker, sir, at a sitting of the Senate held on Tuesday, 13 July 2023, the Honorable Speaker of the Senate reported to the Senate that a petition had been submitted through the clerk by the Siani residents of Misambi sub-location in Nyamira County concerning the degradation of the Siani wetland brought on by the activities of the Kenya Prisons Services, KPS, a section of the community members through cultivation and construction of structures and a primary school built on this land. Pursuant to Standing Order 238-1 and the fourth schedule to the standing orders of the Senate, the petition was committed to the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources. Mr. Speaker, sir, the committee proceeded to seek for responses from the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry, and the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Interior and National Administration to address the issues raised in the petition. Mr. Speaker, sir, as a background in brief of the for the Honorable Senators to understand what were the contents of the petition. 1. Siani wetland is a community land situated in Misambi sub-location in Nyamira County that had been set aside for grazing and registered as a common grazing area under Gusii County Council and is a major water catchment area in the region that serves as a source of fresh and clean water for the community. However, the water sources have now been polluted with waste material due to human activities pursuing great risk to the residents. 2, degradation of the wetland has been occurring through activities of the Kenya Prison Service for the last 14 years, a section of the community members through cultivation and construction structures and a primary school built on this land. 3, the destruction of Siani wetland was brought to the attention of the National Environment Management Authority, NEMA, Water Resources Management Authority, WARMA, and the Ministry of Environment in 2010. NEMA subsequently gave orders for the stoppage of construction on the land and issued an environmental registration order in the same year. Mr. Speaker, sir, the committee, following extensive scrutiny, made the following observations in line with the prayers of the petitioners as follows. 1, prayer 1, the committee stops the destruction of the wetland and ensures that the ecosystem is conserved and preserved for future generations. The committee observation 1, the committee observed that there were efforts by the Kenya Prison Service geared towards restoration and conservation through protection of water spring, tree nurseries, afforestation programs, donation of tree seedlings, promotion of fruit farming, and peacekeeping missions as detailed in the ministry's submission. 2, the committee observed that Nyamira prison occupies an area that is fragile and